Hello?
Hello, ma'am. I'm calling about your microwave and TV nightstands.
Yeah.
Alright, so for the microwave, how good is it? You said it's like new.
Yeah. I haven't used it that much. I picked it up when I was in living in Iowa, and so I picked it up
Alright.
from Walmart brand new, and I barely used it.
Well, how can you ensure if it works or confirm that it works if you've never used it?
Well, I did. I mean, but I barely used it.
Well, did you test it recently to make sure it still works?
Well, I can do that when I get back into Wisconsin.
So, why'd you put the ad up if you're not even home?
I will be home. Huh?
When?
I'll be probably back by the 14th.
Oh, no, no. So, no, the reason why is because I really need the microwave. I usually do some blacksmithing stuff,
Uh-huh.
and usually when it's like small metals, I can like melt them in there. And I was wondering if you could like take like a small, tiny, like square inch, not square inch, sorry, like one little, like 1 inch by 1 inch little square of aluminum foil and throw it into the microwave and see if it melts or not. Because my last one, it used to do that and it would melt every single time. But for this one, it just doesn't melt. So, or it broke, like something happened with you know, the power supply of my old microwave. So I wasn't able to, melt those small metals. So that's why I was asking if you could, like, put some aluminum, like a little piece of aluminum foil, and see if it melts.
Yeah, I never done that. I never use aluminum foil, in the microwave. I mean, I just heat stuff up and everything and stuff, and it works great that way. But I never had to do that. I never did that before.
Yeah, well, it's actually a good way to melt, metals and stuff. I've done it many times before, and it's effective, cost effective. You don't have to buy a blast furnace. So that's why I was, asking, because I really want I really want,
Oh,
not to buy a whole blast furnace. I just want to buy a microwave since I know a microwave can just do the job just as well.
yeah. Well, I know I just advertised it not that long ago. And did you see it on the marketplace?
No, I don't have marketplace.
How did you
That's
know that I had
the
one?
the swap shop. Your ads were
Oh,
on the
okay.
swap shop.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Well, I mean, if you're interested in you call me back probably before the 14th, on that. I got to be back. And if you're still interested in it and stuff, I can plug it in and show you that it works.
All right, and would you test the aluminum foil method if I do call back?
I'm not putting aluminum foil in the microwave. I
No,
never.
no, no.
Speaking to that.
What
I'm
was
not
that?
saying. I'm not saying like no, I'm not saying like a big chunk. I was saying just like tiny, tiny piece, because that's how it's better for it's better that way because you don't ruin the microns and
Let me see. No, I got it on speaker.
No, you don't put tinfoil in the microwave.
I
That is a
wasn't.
bad.
I've done it before and it worked. Okay, lady.
Okay. Well, I mean,
Sorry,
okay.
ma'am.
Well, I mean,
Wait, ma'am,
that's
ma'am,
okay.
ma'am, may I talk to that woman who just talked to me? Let me
Yes,
just explain
yes,
to
you
her.
can. Yes, you can, because you're not supposed to put tin foil or any
Look,
sort of
woman,
metal
the reason
in
you don't
look, dude.
what happened
No, I mean,
last time you put
Hold
tin
on.
foil into microwave?
No, you're not supposed to do that.
well, I mean,
Well, maybe-
I'm not gonna do.
Sorry, but lady, you're a woman and you don't understand how microwaves work, all right?
Oh, give it to me. Hey, just because I'm a woman doesn't
Bitch.
I can't figure shit out. So you're just what is it? I am April.
Oh,
Okay,
just
no.
what is it? Okay. Cool.
No, I'm at my daughter's
so-
right now.
Just because I am a female
Well, your daughter's a
does
bitch.
not mean I don't know anything.
Okay,
Your daughter's a
okay,
bitch.
Hey,
I'm what?
don't say.
You're
Don't
a
I'm
bitch.
not. I'm a bitch.
Yeah, what's your
Hey,
profession?
please shut up, April, please.
Is that the best you got?
April, go back.
April, I guess you're a fool, bitch.
Don't. April, will you get back? No.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am, but I just.
Well, you just
I
let me
didn't
say
mean
what I
to
have to say, all right? And then it's up to him, okay?
And then give it to me.
No, I'm not. No, I mean, I'm not going to put aluminum foil in
Okay,
it, but
that's
no,
fair.
That's
That's fair. Okay, teach their own.
Get
I was
back.
just
Thank
asking.
you. Now you got brain. Now you're smart.
April, shut up.
For a man.
Why are you insulting your mother? You said finally she has a brain. That's not how you talk to your mother, young lady.
I was talking to you, bro.
Shush.
No, you
April,
weren't.
go. No, I mean,
listen
no.
to your mother and leave.
No, I'm up in, I'm, here at my daughter's, and that's all.
No,
I
I
just got up
understand.
here today. And that, but no, I mean, I could show you that it works, because it's like brand new. I barely used it.
Okay, but
but I'm not going to put aluminum foil in it because I never did that before.
That's fair. That's fair. No, I've done it before and it's fine. I was just wanting to see if you would test it for me.
No, I'm not. Well, no,
that's
I mean,
fair,
okay. I mean, if you wanted to buy it, I was only asking 20 for it. If you wanted to buy it, don't. Get out of here. If you wanted to buy it and stuff, then you can do that.
Wait. Ma'am, I'm sorry, okay? It's just, I'm discombobulated after your daughter. She just,
Get.
Yeah,
Get.
Stop. I want to hear.
He's not saying nothing, April. Stop. Well, you already did. April, go. No, but no, when I get back, what's up?
I can hear her.
But no, I mean, if you
Ma'am, I don't doubt your parenting techniques, but I feel like you've done a bad job with her, because, no offense or anything.
I got you. Okay. April, you stop. I got my back. I don't need you bumping my stitches, all right? All right? Stop.
Oh. See? You think I'm stupid, but at least I don't, stress on my mom's back when she has stitches.
Oh no, it's okay. I mean, I don't like it when to get close like that, but just go. But no, I mean, what I'm saying is, I mean, if you're interested and you wanted it, and that, then you can do whatever you want with the microwave, and stuff. But
Wait.
but
I have a question.
that.
I have a question for April though, like a good serious one.
Oh well, we got little kids around here too, so we don't want to. If I put you on speaker, we got little ones here, and the youngest one is a 2-year-old.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep it clean.
Okay, I'll put you on speaker, all right? And he's gonna keep it clean. I don't know, April. I don't even know why you do this. I don't know why. It's on speaker.
Okay. Hey, April.
Yeah, she's here listening.
All right. Can I slide up in them DMs?
No chance, bro. No chance in hell.
I'm not your bro. I'm not your bro. I'm not your bro.
Well, you ain't gonna be nothing more than
Yeah,
my bro.
Hey, you said no chance in hell, so there's a chance on Earth?
Be careful.
Mom, I can't fucking hear when you keep pulling away.
Well, I don't want you to grab my phone.
What?
Hey, Lyndon.
What'd you say?
So you're saying there's no chance in hell. Does that mean there's a chance on Earth?
No, there's no chance whatsoever. Ever.
Shh, that's enough.
Oh, aren't you so clever?
Well, I actually have a fiance and 2 kids, and I'm happily in a relationship.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up. All right. If you're interested in my microwave, just call me when I get back. Before the 14th of this month.
I'll call
okay?
back. I'm sorry about that, ma'am. You need to tell your daughter. Well, I respect everyone. It's just your daughter needs to calm down a little bit.
I don't respect you.
April.
Well,
right.
I don't care.
He's not talking to you. He was talking to me.
No one cares
yeah.
about your opinion here, April.
Okay. She's out. But no, just I got the microwave in the storage unit, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's clean and everything. So, but if you're interested and you want to buy it, that's what I asking is $20 for it, and if you can do whatever you want with it and stuff, but
all right.
and that.
Yeah, sounds fair. I just wanted to also find out how does she know that it's bad to put it in the microwave? Because I've done it multiple times and nothing bad ever happened.
Oh, okay. Well, it's something that I don't either. I mean, I don't do nothing like that either, and that.
Yeah,
but
that's
I mean,
fair.
right.
But she was like calling me, dumbass and stuff for like she doesn't even know. Has she even tried putting the, aluminum into the microwave?
I don't think so. I don't know. I mean, but no. I mean. And people do, different things and stuff with, whatever they got and stuff. I mean, and that. But all I did was just, heat up stuff and, and that in the microwave, food-wise.
That's fair. That's what microwaves are meant for anyway. So. Yeah. Well, how about you try putting the aluminum?
Shut up. Okay, that's enough. All right.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes. I'll stop. Sorry, it's just she provoked me, so I didn't mean to get
like that. Go. Okay. All right. Well, yeah, but no, I should be back. Before the 14th and stuff. So you got my number.
And your daughter won't be there, correct?
No, she's not.
Okay, good, because I don't need to hear her ugly ass voice again. Sorry, I didn't mean it that way. I just, like I said, I'm just a little heated after what she,
Yeah, that's okay.
Very disrespectful. And I'm not blaming you. I'm not blaming you for your. I'm not saying your parenting is bad. I'm just saying maybe you should She needed to, go to did she ever go to boarding school or a public school?
I don't think so. No, no. But no, I'm gonna let you go because the kids got to get to bed and everything and stuff. But yeah, just let me know, either way and stuff. And
I'll call you around the 14th or actually, how does let me check the calendar. How does the 14th or 15th sound?
Okay.
Sound okay? You need to call back?
All right. Yep. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.
Yep.